Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn Class 8 Physics chapter. Today we will learn the topic proof plane. About proof plane, means that a proof plane is used to collect and test the charges on bodies which are large and cannot be brought near the disk of GLE. It consists of a small metallic disc at the end of an insulting handle. To test the charge of an object, the disc of the proof plane is kept in contact with the body. The proof plane collects some charge from the body by conduction. The charge on the proof plane is now tested with a GLE. This was a short topic. Now let's move towards conductors, insulators and semiconductors. Two rods are made of glass and the other made of brass are rubbed with a silk by holding the rods in hand. On testing, the glass rod is found to have a charge on it, whereas no charge is observed on the brass rod. It is because the brass rod does not get charged by friction. To investigate, let us now know the different types of substances. Substances are classified into conductors, insulators and semiconductors based on the flow of charges through them. So first, conductors. These substances allow electric charges to flow through them. The reason is that they have a large number of free electrons. For example, free electrons in 1 meter cube of silver are 10 raised to 23. Example, metals, the human body, the earth and solutions of acids in water, solutions of bases in water and soluble salts in water. Electrolytes. Next is insulators. These substances do not allow electric charges to pass through them. The insulators are also called dielectrics. Reason, they have very few number of free electrons. For example, free electrons in 1 meter cube of mica are 10 raised to 4. Example, wood, silk, rubber, plastic, mica, wax, alcohol, ether, benzene, chloroform, sugar, starch, wool, fur, ebonite, diamond, rubber, sulfur and glass. Next and last is semiconductors. Their conductivity is between conductors and insulators. Reason, here they have charge carriers in the form of electrons and holes. These charge carriers are in between the good conductors and the bad conductors. Example, silicon and germanium. We have seen that brass, the human body, and the earth are good conductors, whereas glass is a bad conductor. When the brass rod is rubbed with silk, it also gets charged. As brass is a good conductor, the charge formed on it flows through the rod, your body and finally to the earth. Hence, on testing, no charge is observed on the brass rod. When the glass rod is rubbed with silk, it gets charged. As glass is a bad conductor, the charge remains static on it without flowing through the glass rod. Hence, on testing, charge is observed on the glass rod. Next interesting topic is some properties of charges. Before now we have learned about conductors, insulators, semiconductors, conductors. Now next topic is some more properties of charges. Some more properties of charges. Why does the charge reside on the outer surface? Assume that the charges are present inside a sphere. Consider a charge A. A gets repelled by all the charges present inside. Sorry. Now assume that the charges are present on the outer surface of a sphere and consider a charge A. A gets repelled only by its neighboring charges. It is observed that when the charge is present outside, the repulsion is less than when present inside. The charges thus reside only on the outer surface of a body on account of less repulsion. Next is surface charge density. Surface charge density. Denoted by this sign. The surface charge density at a point on the surface of a conductor is defined as the amount of charge present per unit area around that point. Surface charge density at a point is given by Q upon A, where Q is the charge present in an area around that point. I hope you have understood till this. In part 8 we will learn factors affecting charge density. Then we will move towards spherical conductor, oval conductor, and after that start the new topic of flow of static charges in conductor and electric current. I hope you have understood this. For any queries and doubts, please join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like this is the foundation of class 8. We have covered the foundation of class 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood this. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in Part 8.